cut my check, coming for the neck. Take what I want cause I earn my respect. I be the connect, expect to get left, unless you gon' get right. What the hell did you expect? Como se dice, se pato o plomo. Been taking it easy like poco a poco, so everything's sort of forgiven. So hey friend, and welcome to my channel. I'm Angelique. So today I'm coming to you with yet another unit from Sensationnel. This one is from their textured lace wig Kinky Edges collection. I'm wearing this one in the style wide part Kinky loose wand curl 24 inch, and it's in the color number 2. So here's what the stock card for her is looking like. Now of course, because this one is a wide part, you are going to just get that standard 5-inch deep parting space that goes right down the middle. This is going to be from their Kinky Edges collection, so you are going to get that tailored for the Kinky Edges 3B to 4C. And this one's going to be available in 4 special colors. So first I'm just going to go in with my liquid foundation. This is going to be from Juvia's Place and it's in the color Kano. I'm just going to go ahead and apply that on the underside of the lace. As far as the cap construction on this one, you guys, you are going to get those 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. And this one is also going to come with an adjustable elastic band. And this one is also going to be heat safe between 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's what it's looking like after I've tinted the lace. After I let it dry out, I just slapped this bad boy on the wig head, and I'm going to give you guys a 360 to show you guys what it's looking like. So that's what it's looking like on the wig head, you guys. Look at this unit. Honestly, this is what I was hoping to get from the Sensationnel Kinky Edges spiral curl unit, but this unit is absolutely beautiful, you guys. And then I'm just bringing it in and showing you guys what the hairline's looking like. Like I said, you do get those kinky edges. So now I'm just going to go in and start cutting that lace off. First, I just go in with my embroidering scissors and then I start cutting the lace into these smaller sections. And this just makes it easier, so when I go in with my serrated pinking shears, I'm able to maneuver around cutting the lace. So that's what I have here. These are my serrated pinking shears. And if you guys need any information on any of the products that I'm using, as far as like my concealer, the scissors that I use, anything like that, I always do leave it in the About Me section of all my videos. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just cutting off the remainder of that lace. So after I'm done cutting the lace off, I'm just going to go ahead and slap this bad boy on my head. So as far as the cap size on this one, you guys, I do want to say that this one is going to be small, medium, and big head friendly. I did have to go in and adjust the adjustable elastic band with this one because I did want to wear it glueless and it was fitting my head perfectly. There definitely was some stretch to the cap, so I absolutely was here for that. And my head is about 22 to 22.5 inches in circumference for reference. As far as the texture on this one, you guys, it's definitely sitting between a silky and a yaki. Typically, I honestly cannot stand silky hair, but I feel like they did a good job at mixing these textures together where it's not super silky. It kind of feels more along the lines of a soft yaki, so I definitely did like the texture on this one. As far as the density on it, you guys, I love the density on this one. I know a lot of you girls out there may not be big hair girls, and I feel like this one is perfect because it doesn't feel like an overwhelming amount of hair on my head. It just looks so full and luxurious, but it's not heavy on my head at all. The density is probably around 180% for sure, especially if you go out and comb these curls, but just like, look how beautiful they are. I really didn't even want to disturb them. The curls look perfect in a way that's not wiggy, just like as if you achieved just the perfect curls. I absolutely love the curl pattern of this wig and I love the density. I feel like the curls make it give the illusion that it's actually thicker than what it is, but I really like it. I don't feel any thinness at all. I didn't feel any tracks within the cap or anything like that. I feel like the look of this one is just really cute, you guys. And as always, you guys, just because a wig comes with a standard parting space, it doesn't mean you aren't going to be able to finesse it and get different styles going. I did give you guys a couple different options to show you can have multiple styling options when it comes to just having one defined part. So right now I'm just going in with my foaming mousse and taming those curly edges. And you guys, I feel like this wig is yet another example of kind of what I'm looking for when it comes to my wigs. Now let's say you had like a special event, you were running late, or you just wanted something super quick and easy and you didn't want to do a bunch of work. I feel like this unit would be perfect for that. It didn't take me much time at all. I was able to wear it glueless. It looks very cute. It looks like I'm doing a little something, if that makes sense, but also I didn't need to put a bunch of work into it at all. I absolutely would say this one is beginner friendly. This makes it easier because you just have that defined parting. You can go ahead and get your edges together the way that you like them, and then you're pretty much good to go. So now I'm just going to go in with my concealer from the Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's, and I'm going to go in with the colors Yoda and Kufuru, start applying that into my parting space and around the perimeter of the lace just to get rid of a little bit of that white cast that I was seeing. And just like I was saying, you guys, this is the vibe that I was hoping for when it came to the Sensational Kinky Edges Wide Part Kinky Loose Spiral 24-inch. Now I can kind of see the difference for sure between the two wigs. I really like this curl pattern so much more than I like that one. I like the texture on this one much more than I like that one. I just feel like this one was doing exactly what I needed for it to be doing. So one of the things you should note for this unit, you guys, I did get tangling and I did get shedding, but honestly, it wasn't enough to set me off on this unit. It was kind of to be expected in my opinion, just based on the 24-inch length of it and just based on the curl pattern, the texture of it. I did definitely expect some tangling and shedding. It wasn't anything too crazy, but it's probably something that you are gonna note even if you are wearing it just straight out of the box. So let me just jump into my cons and pros of this unit. I wouldn't necessarily say that the shedding and tangling is a huge con just because it wasn't excessive or anything like that, and like I said, it was something to be expected. I don't necessarily think I really have any cons when it comes to this unit. As far as my pros, I feel like the curl pattern is absolutely beautiful. I love the texture, the way that it feels. Like, just the look of it honestly is beautiful. I love the fact that even though it just has that singular parting space going right down the middle, I still was able to achieve multiple styles with making it still look realistic. This unit as a whole, I feel like is doing what it needs to be doing. I love the kinky edges, the density. Girl, just look at this wig. Just look at this wig. Honestly, I feel like if you pick this one up, you won't be disappointed, especially if you're somebody who's a fan of longer hair, hair with body, curls that are beautiful that you don't really need to put much work into it. This unit is just doing it for me, you guys, and I feel like I absolutely would pick this one again. I feel like if you pick it up, you won't be disappointed. So that's pretty much all I'd say about this unit, you guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want to pick up in any of the colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.